Welcome to Lanstad. This is a quick start tutorial video. Email notification. You'll receive a link from your Data project manager with the passkey to access Lanstad Pro Editor, our online proofing system. When you click on the passkey link, you will be directed to Lanstad. You can then start editing and formatting using Pro Editor. If you'd first like to see what your book or chapter is going to look like, you can download it as a PDF. To download the book, click on Book PDF in the drop-down menu. To download a single chapter, click on Chapter Download. How do I select a chapter? You can select the chapter you want to edit from the Thumbnails section in the left-hand side panel. What is focus mode? Using focus mode will optimize the display so you can see more text. Inserting and deleting text. Place the cursor where you want to insert text, or select the text that you want to delete. You can also use keyboard arrows to navigate. How do I apply formatting? Select the text that you want to format and click on the respective icon on the formatting toolbar, for example, B, for applying boldface. Use the same process for other formatting, such as italic and superscript. You can also use the usual keyboard shortcuts, like Ctrl-B and Ctrl-I. Inserting special characters. To insert a special character, click on the Add Symbol button. The dialog box that opens will allow you to select from a large variety of special characters and symbols. How do I respond to queries? Click on the reply icon next to the query on the side panel. Input your reply in the display box and click reply. If you'd like to see all the queries as a list, click on the query sheet icon. Inserting comments. To insert a comment, click on the Add Comment button on the Review toolbar. Editing an existing comment. You can only edit comments that you added to the document yourself. To edit a comment, click on it in the main editing area or click on the Edit icon in the Review panel. How do I undo or redo a change? You can undo and redo changes by clicking on the respective icons on the Review toolbar. This is applicable for the entire session, but not if you refresh the page or exit and re-enter. Find and replace text. To find text, use the search panel on the left. You'll also find search and replace and advanced options here. Inserting references. To insert a new reference, click on the Add Reference button on the Review toolbar. How do I edit a reference? Click on the reference itself. The Reference Edit panel will open, where you can make changes. Attaching additional or replacement figures and tables. Click on the table icon or figure icon on the Review toolbar to insert a new table or figure. Figures and tables are always renumbered automatically. Footnotes and Endnotes. Click on the Notes icon on the Review toolbar to add or delete a footnote or endnote. Notes will be automatically renumbered. When you're finished, your changes will be continually saved. When your entire review is complete, click on Submit to send a notification to your Data project manager.